In this video, we'll see how to combine the multiple tables from the multiple sheets and get it to the another sheets. Let's see how to do. If you are new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share this video. Here we have a table 1 in table 1 sheet. Table 2 is another table sheet, the data, and table 3 and table 4. We have 4 tables here. I want to combine these 4 tables and place it into another sheet. Here we'll use as a VSTACK function. Here we have created a table, that is table, the name of the table is table 1 here, and here the table name is table 2, and here it is table 4, and here it is table 6. Let's see. Type equals to VSTACK array 1, just type table 1. Here we'll get another option, that is what we need to select. Just highlight the table 1 and press tab, comma, table 2, press tab, comma, table 4, tab, table 6, and close parenthesis, enter. Now here, if you can see, we got the result of the data what combined from this table 1, table 2, table 3, and table 4 by using a VSTACK function. If you are If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.